Hey folks, a few short words about the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, which is now, the system is complete and finished and can be found in the net now. So I just want to talk a little bit about this and explain everything to you that you understand what it's about. It's very easy to understand. So let's get started. I've been working really hard in the past 2 or 3 months to complete it now, and I'm going to explain the several departments I want you can get out of all this and all news which came up and stuff like that. First of all, is the YouTube channel, which you might already be a subscriber. And that is the very basic thing, to just follow it. It's free. You can just follow all tutorials which come twice a week. Any kind of topics, maybe sometimes three times a week, is gonna be tutorials, more performance, more music. Also, I also reordered the playlists a little bit. Also, the meditation thing with the colors, with the Farbmusik, is also displayed now. And so this is the main thing, which are probably also part of it. Now, if you want to really go deeper to go to the next level of getting in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, you go to my website, go here on the Guitar Academy button, and voila, here you can enter the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. I'm going to show it now. So that's the next part here. And you can register there for free, and basically you have the whole thing more ordered. You can communicate with other students there. You can have your profile there. It's for free, and that's it's not a big data thing like with Facebook. I don't use your data for anything or send you ads all the time. It's just if you really want to be part of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy on the second level. So this is your second level, which you're in the second level. Now, if you want to download the material which comes along with any kind of tutorial, they're displayed here. However, you can download them. Therefore, you need to make the premium membership upgrade. It's really cheap. It's $5 per month, or if you make the yearly subscription, is I think only $3.75 per month, and it's really worth it. And you also have access to my whole work as an artist. And what is really new, it's the tabs are also available in Guitar Pro format, and there I offer a 20% off discount if you want to, for all students. The link is in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. You found the link, you get 20% off for the Guitar Pro software. It's probably only $30 instead of 40. I have no clue, but it's really worth it. It's really cool software. Yeah. So this will be the next level, going from the subscriber to a member of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy and premium membership upgrade. If you want to dig deeper, you probably want to go for private lessons. So here you have private lessons. So that's going to be, I have 12 till 15 students per week, private students. So it's really a regulated thing. And there you can, if you want to have private lessons, you can ask for it. That's really the premium service, and this is really very personal. You get your own video, like a 20-25 minutes video whenever you want, but probably every second week or every week, depending on what you want. And it's a really cool system. Check out, it's really described very detailed here now, also with rear views and stuff like that. Yeah, also the psychological improvisation concept was really the central part of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Is different than the normal music education. It's more about emotional expression, not so much about playing this song, this lick, or stuff like that. So that's the central thing. Now, if you really want to go deep, you can also go for the diploma. Wait, where is it? Oh, it's here with the private lessons. Sorry. You can make a diploma or a master degree. It's somewhere here. Yeah, correct. I don't find it. I gotta display the link in the description. All links gonna be descriptions of the private lesson, blah blah blah. For the diploma, if you wanna become a pro guitarist, you can either go for the normal one, bachelor master at the normal music university. You could also do it with me, but those who want to do it, they don't really want this. They want to do my version. Mine is more an artist diploma. So like the Japanese guys, they say, okay, I learned from this one and I made the black belt here. And so there's something like this. If you finish it, I say, okay, this guy really can play or can really express him or herself on guitar and is an artist. Then I give my signature for it. But it's really hard to get. Nobody reached it till now. So that will be the final stage of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy to go for the diploma. Whatever you choose, it's about guitar playing, it's about music, it's about emotional expression, it's about being an artist. Either you're a beginner or you're on the edge to a pro. It doesn't really make a big difference because I have a lot of experience. And I know exactly, even if you're a pro, you're always on the same thing. You always have to have an artistic expression. Yeah, and so that's what the main thing is here all about. Yeah, that's basically about the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. I hope you found this information useful. It's now complete and it will be running from now on. And this is also the name which is hashtagged. You find it on Google Maps. HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please write me a review there if you love what I'm doing. It would be really cool and help the whole system going on. If you have a website link to the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, it would be cool. If somebody is willing to write me a Wikipedia entry, also would be cool. Yeah, stuff like that. You can also contribute to this community we're building here, and it's about guitar playing. It's about having a really emotional expression in music and on a guitar. That's what it's all about. And Dr. Pink is over there. Probably Dr. Pink will get more fellows here with other guitar stuff like that, because it's not only about for different genres and stuff like that. That's what I want to say about the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Check all the links in the description in detail to see what is all going on. And it's really worth checking all that stuff out if you're really interested to dig deep into guitar playing. Yeah, if you're a beginner or upcoming pro, it really makes a difference. Yeah. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Spotify. Soon the YouTube channel will become an artist channel. All my CDs will be displayed, but you find them in Spotify or in download store or streaming store, but soon also on the channel. Good, that's more or less what I want to say. See you some other time. Bye.